what is right.
Having courage to stand up for other people.
Courage to me is standing up for what you believe in.
I think courage is helping others.
Trying new things that you're nervous about or not too sure about.
Being bold and doing things that people might not usually do.
Courage is when you face your fears.
Your comfort zone.
Doing what you believe in even though you're afraid, but I think it's often just discovering what you want to do.
Overcoming your fears.
The ability to persevere through challenging, problems and situations.
I can show courage by, standing up to somebody if they're being bullied.
So you can show courage by always choosing to do the right thing. Also, if you see something that you know is not right, stepping in and making sure that the situation.
You can show courage by standing up for what is right, even if everyone else doesn't agree with it.
It comes in different ways. I mean, there's no one pathway to show courage. Obviously, it's, like we always say, it's the idea of confronting your fears. But the way you go about it can always be different. It can be standing up for something you believe in, or sometimes it's walking away from something because you know it's the better choice.
By embracing fear and making sure to try new things and meet new people.
Courage is important because if we're all courageous, then the world would be a better place.
Help other people if they need help.
If you don't have courage, then you are not going to take advantage of any actual good opportunities in your life. You're going to miss out on all of the amazing things that you can actually experience in life.
Courage is important because you're not going to get anywhere in life without it.
Courage is important because whatever you're going to do in life, you need courage to do it.
If someone gets bullied, you might want to help them.
Because it's important to have values and ideas that are important to you and to be able to stand up for those as well.
It leads to development of stuff that you wouldn't usually do, and it builds character and you learn new things.
Fear can stop us from doing things that we want to do or that we need to do. So we need courage in order to perform those actions.
Courage to me is important because nothing would really work without it. You would really never know unless you tried it in the first place.
A world without bravery would be nothing.
If there weren't courageous people in this world, then there would be a lot of problems that wouldn't get solved.
Sometimes in life you're going to have some hardships and situations that are tough to deal with, but you need to have courage to help yourself conquer those situations and deal with them.
Courage is important because if you actually are too afraid to try something, then you will never know if you are actually good at something or if you like something.
Courage is important because it teaches you self-discipline and it helps you when you get older and you step up to the plate.
Great-grandpa, because he served in 3 different wars.
Granddaughters from 3rd grade because she has never bullied anyone.
The most courageous person in my life is my friend Jacob because he does things that I could never imagine doing, but I want to do.
The most courageous person I know is Coach Jones. He deals with all the football guys all day, every day.
The most courageous person in my life is my dad because he's always helping people and he's not scared to stand up for what is right even if others don't believe in it.
My parents, they stepped away from their family, from their futures in their home country of Mexico to provide an opportunity for me and my siblings to strive further than they had the opportunity to. And my mom didn't see her family for the better part of 20 years as a result of that. And it's something that's always stuck with me, that level of sacrifice that I wish I could say I would do for someone else, but I don't know if I'd ever be as courageous as to do that, to step away from parents and siblings for that long.
Probably my dad, probably because he's in the military and he's done a lot of military tours.
My dad, because as a police officer, he goes out every single day knowing very well that he's putting his life in danger, but saving other people in the process.
I'm going to go with me. I am very courageous because I come to work and work with middle schoolers every single day and see all these great high schoolers. So I'm going to say teachers in general, all of us, because we are very courageous and we're staying here for you guys.